Hello, good morning. I'm going to introduce myself. My name is Claudia and my mates are Aarón, Manuel and Gabriela. Now we are going to talk about the effects of consumption in climate change, such as the reduction of natural resources, the production of waste, the extinction of species, etc. First of all, the reduction of natural resources is caused by consumerism, because mass buying causes mass production. Therefore, natural resources are consumed faster than they can be replaced. The effects are water shortage, deforestation, destruction of habitats.
This overproduction not only depletes natural resources, also creates a lot of waste. This waste gets rid generating methane gas that contribute to the greenhouse effect, or are incinerated, also causing the appearance of gases that contribute to the acid rain and the creation of toxic substances that in turn will damage the environment.
In addition, the urbanization of natural environment to create factories, expand companies, and enlarge cities cause the reduction of biodiversity, the destruction of habitats, the extinction of species, and more pollution. All these effects cause the modification of environment and habitats, temperature change, sea levels rise, a specific place to feed and breed despair or change, pollution in the area, etc.
Finally, by destroying habitats and ecosystem, animals cannot survive. This causes many species to become extinct. In a short time, future generations won't be able to see the same amount of animals that we have today. Here we have a picture showing the most affected parts. Darker purple and green regions indicate the regions where exported to the USA. Most damage biodiversity.
According to studies, we are in the 6th mass extinction, and avoid it, we have to do something. That is why we'll give you some tips to solve these problems.
Moderate the use of natural resources, reduce all possible waste and recycle it, consume in a sustainable way with nature, respect natural space and avoid occupying them, protect biodiversity, sensibilize and raise awareness. Finally, and as the most important point, not be part of consumerism and moderate our partners.
Before concluding, we will show you the interview that we have done to Greta Thunberg, which we have uploaded to our network, Save the Planet.
Hello, Greta Thunberg. Thanks for coming. We are so glad you are here.
Hello, the pleasure is mine.
As you might already know, we are university students interested in the environment, and we have a awareness network called Save the Planet, where we would like to include your opinion on the subject. That is why we are going to ask you some questions.
Okay, I'll be happy to answer. The truth is that I have heard something from your network, but exactly what is it about?
In our network, we try to change the mentality of people by showing them the dangers and catastrophes that happen every day in our environment. We also provide solutions to these problems and organize events to collect clothes, appliances or other products that can have a second life, among many other things.
I'm very happy with the work you do. There should be more people like you.
Thank you very much, Greta. Let's start the interview. Do you think that our way of consuming is causing environment change?
Yes, of course, because we buy without thinking, and this causes more and more to be produced. This massive production will make us end all the natural resources that we have, because we don't give them time to regenerate, causing water shortage, deforestation, destruction of habitats, extinction of species.
But in addition to the depletion of natural resources and all its effects, a lot of waste is also produced, right?
Indeed, this is another of the problems of consumerism.
This waste produced by companies, how do they affect us?
These wastes affect us in several ways because they get rid generating methane gas that contributes to the greenhouse effect, or be incinerated, also causing the appearance of gases that contribute to acid rain and the creation of toxic substances.
Do you think that the urbanization of natural habitat is the main reason for the extinction of species?
Not the main one, but one of those that contribute to it, because the animals don't adapt to these changes that happen in the environment when we urbanize the area or exploit the resources.
I understand. Is there a way to rebuild those habitats and avoid the extinction of species?
Of course, everything is in our hands, but we must act as soon as possible. Some things we could do are moderate the use of natural resources, reduce all possible waste and recycle it, consume in a sustainable way with nature, etc.
Well, with this last question, we come to the end of the interview. Thank you very much, Greta, for your time.
No, thanks to you for inviting me. Bye!
Bye!
Thanks for listening to our presentation. We hope you have enjoyed it. And if you care about the environment and you want to help, you already know, join our network.